Hey everyone! So today I want to share with you guys, especially for teachers out there who are using Google Classroom as one of their platform to teach the students during the online session or whatnot. And today I want to share how to use features question in the Google Classroom. So what is the difference between assignment, quiz assignment, and also question? So for question, it is specifically when we ask the question, it will appear on the stream. So the student will answer it. On the stream. Okay. So before that, in the classwork tab, we can see the Google Calendar and also class drive folder. So what is both of these for? For the class drive folder, it is for anything, any material or any video or any bigger file that we post. The material will go into the class drive folder, which is Google Drive. So yeah. And for the Google Calendar, if we assign the assignment and we have the due date will appear on the Google Calendar so that the students and the teacher will be noted about that. Okay, so first we can go to create and we can go to the question features. So question features, basically this is the I think this is the easiest way to note the student that to what we can say. The question feature is one of the features that can make the online learning become an active learning. Okay, so in the question we can post the question, what question that we want to post, and then for the answer we can choose also whether we want the students to answer with the short answer or we can use the multiple choice answer. Okay, for the instructions we can put the instruction to make sure the student understand what they will do. Okay, and for this part we can see this is for the classroom and for all students. And points, we can make it ungraded or we can make it 20 points, or yeah, it is up to the teachers. And we can put the due date, or we can use the due date, or we can use also can. Okay, and for the topic, I think we should post the topic so that the students will not asking what the question is for. The question is for what topic and all. Okay, so next is for the students can reply to each other. If you want the students reply to each other, we can take this. If you don't want, we can untick this. Also for this one, they can edit the answer or not. Okay, if you want to be a little bit strict, so we can stick. We are not advised to stick, but it is up to the teachers themselves. Okay, this one we can arrange. Okay, but since I don't have many questions, since I don't make any questions yet, so I guess I can do that. And we can put file link or Google Drive if you want the students, example if you want the students to make a review on one video, so we can post the video from the YouTube videos, kind of that. And we can create another one to make the students this can be one of the object or thing that the student have to review. Okay, so I guess this is for the question part, which is I think it is good to use during the class streaming. Okay, that's all from me. See you next time. Bye. Have a wonderful day.